Hello everyone, today let's discuss about diseases of bones and joints. So bones and joints, the important diseases are the first one, rheumatoid arthritis. So itis means always inflammation. So inflammation or swelling. So here the inflammation or swelling of joints is known as arthritis. So it is an autoimmune disease which mainly affects the joints and the synovial membrane. The main causes of the disease are it mainly affects the women and it mainly affects the individuals who are having 30 to 50 years age, and who smokes more, they will get more this rheumatoid arthritis. And pollution is also a cause, and obesity is also a cause for getting this arthritis. And symptoms includes mainly there will be a tender, warm and swollen joints. The joints may swell and they may tender, and joints may freeze, that the joints does not move, it may freeze. This is also one of the symptom. And fever and loss of appetite, no hungry feeling, is also one of the symptom of this arthritis. It is mainly diagnosed by doing blood test. By knowing the increased erythrocyte sedimentation rate is one of the diagnostic test, and x-rays and magnetic resonance imaging scan is performed for knowing this rheumatoid arthritis. Next one is osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is nothing but it is also a degenerative joint disease, and the causes are mainly genes. The genes is mainly responsible. The genes like FAAH gene is responsible for causing this disease. And weight, obese patients and overweight patients mostly get this osteoarthritis. And mainly injuries, if any injury occurs to the joints or if any bleeding occurs near the joints, they may get this disease. And the symptoms of osteoarthritis are mainly the same thing like joint pain and morning stiffness. During morning they will feel the joints are stiff and freeze. The joints are less movable, they cannot move their joints freely. So this is another symptom. The diagnosis same like blood test, x-ray and MRI scan. And the next one is gout disease. The gout is an inflammatory arthritis which causes inflammation of joints, and the cause is mainly increased uric acid levels in blood and increased alcohol consumption, family history, obesity. The same causes will be there, and symptoms includes the same joint pains at night, and joint appears red and swollen. And diagnosis mainly involves joint fluid test is performed for knowing urate crystals. If urate crystals are present, then it confirms gout, and blood test, x-ray and ultrasound scan is performed for urate crystals. And the next one, management of these diseases. When rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis and gout, the non-drug treatment mainly involves doing regular exercises, regular physical activities and taking good diet. These are the non-pharmacological treatment which we have to take. And the pharmacological treatment of rheumatoid arthritis is mainly disease modifying agents. Example, methotrexate is taken, and NSAID is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin is used, and anti-malarial drugs like chloroquine and hydrochloroquine is used, and anti-rheumatoid drugs like penicillamine can be taken, and immunosuppressants like cyclophosphamide and corticosteroids like prednisone are taken for treating this rheumatoid arthritis. And for osteoarthritis, the same thing, NSAIDs like ibuprofen and diclofenac are taken, and corticosteroids like prednisolone is taken or prednisone is taken. And then the chondroprotective drugs which inhibits the enzymes which causes this destruction of cartilage are known as chondroprotective drugs. Examples like Rumelan and Pentozan are taken, and if needed, surgery is performed for osteoarthritis patients. And for gout patients, mainly the drug treatment involves NSAIDs like indomethacin and diclofenac sodium are the drugs which has to be taken for the patients. And colchicine is another drug which is given to the patients of this gout, and steroids like prednisone are given for treating this gout disorder. And these are the main pharmacological treatment and non-pharmacological treatment and the management of this rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis and gout disorders. Here the treatment, if you see the treatment, mainly NSAIDs. NSAIDs are nothing but non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs which treats inflammation, which reduces the inflammation and pain of the patient. So these are very important drugs. So this is about the diseases of joints. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel for more and more informative videos. Jai Hind.